Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another wig. Oh my goodness. Just look at this. Do y'all see this? Looking like a straight scalp. It literally looks like I just cut my freaking hair. If you guys would like to see a styling tutorial and also hear more details about this hair, make sure you keep on watching. Alright guys, as you can see, this wig comes from a company by the name of Royal Me. This is the inside of the box. It comes with your standard wig cap and also the wig. It is in a net, which is great. That protects the hair. Make sure, nothing happens to it and it stays fresh. So this is what the wig looks like, kind of like a short bob. Look at that freaking hairline. This is straight out of the box, pre-bleached knots. You got your adjustable elastic band. Look how much parting space comes with this wig. Just look at the construction of it. You got your combs. I mean, child, you all set. Okay. So this is me just putting the wig on, kind of getting a fit and a feel for it. So this is what it looks like on my head straight out of the box. Look at that hairline. You got your pre-plucked and pre-bleached. Okay. Also look at that parting. That's a lot of parting. So we're going to go ahead and cut the lace off. And I'm just doing some standard cutting, guys, kind of to frame my hairline. As you guys can see, when I cut it off, it just looks like my hair. This wig is ceasing to amaze me. This is crazy. So as you guys can see, do you see that? Like, do you see that? The only thing I have on it is the elastic band, but I am going to go in with this got to be gel on the sides just because I want my sides to be held down. You don't necessarily have to do this part, but I'm going to because, honey, I'm going to be out in the element and the wind is going to be blowing. Okay. I do not need my business all in the streets. So before I, style or do anything with the hair, I just want to show you guys what it's looking like just in its raw form. Look at the parting space. Of course, you can part this wig anywhere. Okay, well, anywhere in the front. It's a frontal wig. Do y'all see how natural that looks? That looks perfect. The knots aren't over bleached or anything like that. They're bleached to perfection. As y'all can see, still well. So we're gonna go in and I'm just going to flat iron it. Okay, I don't want to do too much to this bob. It's I mean, it's already done. It's not much to do. I'm just gonna kind of bump it a little bit and try be on my way. So stay tuned for my thoughts. Okay, we'll chat a little bit more about it in the next clip. Alright guys, so let's actually get into my thoughts of this wig and also this hair, okay? So now that you know kind of like the specs and the deets and also all the information will be down below as usual. So let's get into, like I said, how I feel about it. So this is a short bob wig, okay, around 10 inches. So this is how it falls on me. I am 5'7", okay. So I know a lot of people ask me about really short wigs, okay. A lot of people ask me that, okay. Some people, for either they want to work or they just like short hair. Some people just love short hair. So yeah, this would definitely be the wig for you. It is cut in like this bob type style. Let me just say that this style is the style that is in now. I don't know if y'all know or not. But this style is definitely popping in these streets, okay? I'm seeing a lot of people gravitating to the bobs. I'm not sure if it's because it's getting hot outside or if it's because it's just a staple or whatever. A bob will just always be cute. It doesn't matter, what you're wearing or where you're going. A bob is always the go-to hairstyle. This hair got so much body. I've been like swinging it and just I can't keep my hair out of it, my hands out of it. Sorry, it's got so much body and so much life. I like that it moves. It's not stiff. When I move my neck, the hair move with me. Okay, the hair is like got its own little flow. It's just easy. Even straight out the box, I didn't really have to even like flat iron it, but I decided to kind of have it kind of frame my face or whatever. But I had like this messy bob look when it sorry it's lint. I had like this messy bob look when I got it out of the box. So what I did was, like I said, I just framed my face, didn't like any baby hairs or whatever. This wig is pretty much get out the box and go. You don't have to do anything to the wig. This is another one of those easy type of wigs. Okay, I think I'm gonna end up making like a playlist of like beginner friendly easy wigs, because a lot of people are like, hey, you know what, well, I need an easy wig. Okay, so yeah, this is what the hair looks like. The hairline looks really, really good. As you guys can see, no plucking, no bleaching from me, at least. No, this is just the natural hairline. I did not go back in. Normally I go back in with some tweezers and I, you know, pluck to my liking, or I add a little powder or something like that. I didn't go back in with anything. This just kind of blends with my skin. I didn't even pluck the middle part, which, let's mention this, the parting is like really, really good on this unit. I love wigs that have wigs or pieces or whatever you want to call them that have deep parts, because me personally, I feel like deep parts make a wig look more natural. I feel like when you have like a 1-inch part and sometimes no part, it doesn't always look that great. Okay, more people are like, oh, the wig. Okay, you know, versus something like this where someone has to get more so up on you and be all up in your business, which they shouldn't be that close to you anyway. But you know, people need to get out, but they have to get a little bit closer to you to see, you know, like what you got going on with your hair. Okay, so this is very natural, very go-to-ish, very the it wig in my opinion. I think this is the wig for everyone to just have, like a stash wig. You know how we all had a Walmart wigs, okay? You know, or like our hat wigs. You only wearing that wig if you wearing a hat. You know what I'm saying? Like this right here would be your everyday go-to wig, okay? So, well, it definitely be my everyday go-to wig, because I don't always feel like gluing, putting a whole bunch of glue or gel in my hair. Sometimes I just want to put it on. I want to go and I'm in a hurry. I ain't got time for all them extra steps. Oh. So I did put a little got to be on my sides. That is completely optional. You do not have to do that if you don't want to. This wig is considered glueless. Okay, so glueless just means that it comes with an elastic band, and also it comes with combs. All right, so that is all that glueless means. The elastic band is in there to just keep your wig on. Might I add, if you plan on doing some like getting on a roller coaster, please put some adhesive on your wig, okay? But anyways, yeah, I did just put some adhesive on the sides because I am going to be going out and it's windy and I don't tell them what else, child, you know what I'm saying, and I don't need to be losing my wig. But this wig is really, really snug on my head, so I could have even not even worn adhesive or whatever, but I did want my sides to be down. But you do have an option with that. I don't know, a lot of people like that, because a lot of people don't actually like adhesives at all, whether it's glue or gel. So yeah, that is the convenience of having a quote-unquote glueless easy type of wig. Okay, so anyways guys, let me know if y'all are feeling this wig, what y'all think about it. Is it your style? What y'all think? Y'all know I don't really rock super short hair because it's normally not really my thing. I'm feeling like a total mom right now. Which isn't a bad thing. I'm just saying, like, I feel like extra total grownish, like a, I don't know, like I'm gonna get my kids from soccer practice. That's how I'm feeling. That's the vibe that I'm giving off. But like I said, let me know what you guys think about it. And yeah, details will be down below and we'll discuss in the comments. I see y'all.